Assalam Alaikum. Welcome to Excel Hacks for Business Professionals. I am Dr. Saifullah and I am excited to have you here. This YouTube channel is all about helping you learn simple and powerful Excel tips that save time, make your work smarter, and deliver better results. Whether you are managing data, creating reports, or solving complex problems, you will find this channel packed with easy to follow hacks to take your Excel skills to the next level. If that sounds like what you are looking for, hit the subscribe button now and turn on notifications so you never miss a video. Let's make Excel simpler, faster, and more fun together. In this video, we will be exploring how to combine multiple rows into single cell using Power Query. That is a powerful tool that eliminates the need for complex formulas. If you would like to follow the procedure that I have followed, download the example file and the link of the file is provided in the description box of the video. So let's get started. Here is our source data. We have a list of employees along with the equipment that has been assigned to them. For instance, James Scott has a home printer, tablet, laptop, and a key holder. Our goal is to combine all the equipment details for each employee into a single cell, and this task will be complex and time consuming if we rely on formulas. But with the help of Power Query, this task can be easily performed and with just few clicks. Firstly, we need to load data into the Power Query, and to load data into the Power Query, we will click anywhere in the table, then go to data, and in the data tab select from table range. This will open the Power Query editor where you will see your data table displayed. In the next step, we will merge columns and we will merge equipment and equipment attributes, and to merge these columns we will click on transform and then merge columns. Then we will select separator. We can choose any separator. We will select custom and we will type here double colon and followed by a space, and then provide the merged column name, that is optional. We will provide equipment. Press OK and we will see that equipment and equipment attributes are merged into a single column, that is equipment.1. After merging these columns, we will group data, and to group data we will select first name and last name column and click on group by. Here advanced option is already selected because multiple columns are involved. We will provide new column name, that is again equipment, operation sum, and in column select equipment.1. Press OK. This will create an error for now, but we will fix it in the next step. The error is because of the sum operator, as the sum operator is designed for numbers, but since we are working with text values, that's why Power Query is producing an error, and we will resolve it by editing the underlying formula. In the formula bar that is displayed here, if this is not visible, you can go to view and click on formula bar to display it. In the formula bar, we will get list.sum and we will replace list.sum with text.combine. Text.combine and add a separator as a second argument, comma, space, inverted commas, separated by semicolon and a space, and then click enter to apply this change. Now we can see that the data is displayed properly, and we can expand the width of the column to see all the values are combined. After that, we will click on home and then close and load. Here the data is displayed and we have our transform data. Our transform table will now display each employee with all their assigned equipment neatly combined into a single cell. This quick and easy transformation has been made possible thanks to the magic of Power Query. No complex formulas are required. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more tutorials. Like the video to show your support. Comment below if you have any questions or suggestions for future videos. Your feedback helps this channel grow and I truly appreciate it. Thank you for watching and I will catch you in the next video. Take care. Allah Hafiz.